The St. Catherine police made a major gun and ammunition seizure in the parish on Saturday. 3 persons have so far been arrested following the find. TVJ's Shamala Mitchell reports.
Minutes after 4 Saturday morning, the police carried out an operation at 4 Roads in Anchovy, St. James. Head of operations for the St. James Police, Superintendent Gary Mackenzie, said the operation targeted wanted men as well as firearms and ammunitions. During the operation, several houses were searched.
And what we found are 2 rifles. One is an AK-47 rifle. The other one is a Action Arms Uzi semi-automatic rifle. And we also have a .45 Masterpiece Arms Mach 11 submachine gun, as well as a Magnum, a .44 Magnum pistol.
Superintendent Mackenzie says 231 rounds of ammunition were also seized.
64.38 rounds, 38 7.62, 25.44, 31.40, 1 shotgun cartridge, and 72.45 rounds of ammunition.
The search also yielded lead sheets used in lottery scamming. The proceeds, the police believe, are used to purchase guns.
So family members who know that their cousins, their nephews, their sons, and daughters too, when they have firearms and ammunition, this is not something that you should be comfortable with, because these guns and ammunition are taking people's lives, and they will take your own as well.
Since the start of the year, the police in St. James have recovered almost 70 firearms. Superintendent Mackenzie says 90% of the people murdered in St. James were killed by the guns. Shamala Mitchell, TVJ News.